If they think I'll quit, they're fooling themselves. I don't quit. I don't break. I don't stop. Let them doubt me. That only fuels me. Every time they think I'm done, I'll show them I'm just getting started. I'm not here to make excuses or beg for approval. I'm here to grind, to fight, to win. They can talk all they want. They can wait for me to fall. But I'm not going anywhere. I'm built for this. When it gets hard, I get harder. When the pressure rises, I rise higher. They think I'll fold under the weight. Watch me carry it all and keep moving. I don't back down. I don't give up. I'm unstoppable. Let them doubt me. Let them count me out. Because every time they do, I'll remind them why I'm still standing. I don't just survive, I thrive. And I'll keep proving it day after day until there's no question left. I'm not a quitter. I'm a finisher.
And then gonna do is only turning this one. Okay, but then release this one, and then yan, aywa. Now, but then hold, but then tight. Okay, so easy. Without dividing head, can do this one easily job. Okay, kelas finish. Okay, that's it. Then continuous, meaning 3, maybe 4 slot going to finish. So that's it. So easily to do without using dividing head. Only gotta do is this chuck. Okay, that's it, kelas finish. No need use dividing it, only chuck, only guide. Okay, kelas.